That's not gonna work. I need the drill. I need the real drill. You're really irritating me right now. Does your RV, or in my case, ambulance, have halogen lights that cause so much power drain? In this video, we'll transform those outdated round halogen lights into powerful, energy-efficient LED lights from Amazon. I'll show you step-by-step how to solder the wires and add heat shrink for a professional finish. Plus, we'll compare the current draw and light output of the halogen versus LED lights and avoid the mistakes I've done. Stay tuned to see the dramatic difference and ensure your vehicle is always ready to roll. Okay, we're back on the outlet project. I'm pretty sure that my problem is the drill bit. So I took this drill bit that's 9 times the size it's supposed to be, but it looks like the pilot tip is brand new. It's actually cutting through it. What that means is I need to go to Home Depot and buy some drill bits. Alright, round 2. We got some new drill bits here. This should go really easy now, right? That's what I get for trying to do this one-handed. Let's try that again with 2 hands. Got it. Way better than a junky drill bit. I got the USB put in there, the voltage gauge put in there. I got them pretty tight. So now we're gonna wire it up and then put the screws in, and this is pretty much gonna be done. Okay, that was a big failure. A couple things happened. One thing is I have to cut this out more and that out more to get the double in there. I don't have the right carbide bit, so I abandoned that one. What I did do is I ran the wire up, and then I just used one of these holes that was already there, drilled it out a little bit bigger, and put my voltage gauge there. So the main thing I wanted to do was have a voltage gauge on there, because this was just dangling before. The other thing that happened, and this is where I got irritated, was when I was trying to take this on and off, like it broke. So now it's broken on the inside. All these terminals are loose, so this thing, you know, only works if you hold it in a certain position. So I gotta get another one of those. I'm pretty irritated right now. So this took me about 2 seconds, and I've been working on this for however many hours, drilling the holes and whatever else. I've got a blank. I'm probably gonna put that there until I decide what's gonna happen. The door's closed, the lights are off, except for the fluorescent light. I open the door, lights come on. Watch the voltage drop. 0.2. So I want to see what it is after we get these lights put in. So I have no idea when that stopped recording. I really hope we got the before shot. If not, I'm going to put this LED light up there and do another before shot, but you're going to know that one's an LED. Okay, it might be loud, but today we're doing a real simple upgrade. All the yellow lights are going to get replaced with the LED light that you see there. See that burn spot right there? That's because these halogen lights get super hot, and I'm fairly certain they pull a lot of current. We're going to replace them. One, it's going to save me on power consumption. Two, it's going to give me a wider light. White light's better for working and stuff, I think. So let's get these lights changed out. They're real easy. Okay, now this is all heat shrunk up there. Move your wires into the appropriate places. Issue I have is this one. You can see that the screw head is starting to go through the support, but it hasn't actually drilled through, so I need to drill a hole in there to make sure the screw goes through there. There's also a metal plate right here, so that will also hold it up, but there's not one anywhere else. So you got here goes into the structure, and there goes into the structure. Okay, so I'm gonna say 5/64. Is that good? Yeah, that should be good. That's not gonna work. I need the drill. I need the real drill. All right. So go in here. There we go. And that should allow me to drill straight through that support. Okay. Make sure our wires are here, out of the way. And in the right hole. Okay. It's definitely in there. Is it all the way up? I'm gonna use a hand drill to finish it off. Or a hand screwdriver, sorry. That's really tight. Okay, let's pull that one out some more. Still too tight? Yeah, that's really tight. I don't want to break it, you know? I'm sure these are stainless or whatever. So let's go next size up. Should be 5/64, maybe? Yeah. Man, it's still like super tight. No give in that. It must be a steel plate. 30 seconds, so I think it's too big. Guess we're about to find out. Okay. Yep. That works. That works really good. So now, maybe I should drill this one out now. Gonna get a little bit of plastic. Either I cocked it this way, or something just didn't go right. Why did it work for that one, not for this one? Come on. I'm gonna take them all out and make sure I get that screw in that hole. Alright. Stay. Okay, where's my last screw? Drop it? Yes. Still not. I don't think it's getting up there. We're just gonna take an L on that one, I guess. Hopefully. I mean, it's solid because of that one, but it's just not right. Maybe I'll get a machine screw and thread it later. Alright, let's finish. Plate right here, plate right there. There's nothing on this one. Nothing on this one. And it's not close enough to that support either. It's funny, I'm using the refrigerator as a bench instead of my workbench. Wah, wah, wah. I didn't strip either one of these. That doesn't sound good. What's in there? It's a piece of solder inside there. There's no way you're gonna be able to see that. So there's 4 screws that hold the lens on. Oh, it's a screw. So that screw was floating around in there. What does it go to? There's a screw there. There's a screw there. There's a screw hole there. Does it go in there? Okay, there we go. And then this has like a foam, not sealant, but gasket around it. Oh, our air finally works. I can raise the box up. Solder time. Oh my god. Let's turn this down. Definitely don't need that much. Heat shrink. Okay. Screws, new screws. We'll come back to that one. we need to drill out. Just barely drilling it so it gives it a little more to bite on. So you saw I drilled and then I reversed to come out instead of drilling it and cutting all the burrs. We're using the burrs to our advantage. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. Oh my, that is super bright. Like, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. Oh, it's fluorescent. That does nothing. That's fluorescent. I'm telling you, these lights come on some way or another. There we go. Bench. So that's toolbox. Okay. So, only two sides. It's just me, or is that pulsating? It almost feels like it's flashing. Oh, we didn't check the gauge. Okay, let's do that. Whoops. 13.89-ish. .8. So it definitely helped. I think. It's definitely not drawing as much current as it was, because it clearly dropped to 0.7 before. Oh, don't do that to me. I feel like we're not as 13.9 as we were. Like we're on the cusp before we were a little higher, I think. Okay. Well, it's not dropping out of 7. We have got so much light now. I think these are 1,000 each. And I got 5 of them. I have 6 of them. The one by the door already installed. So that's 6,000. This is rated for 12,000. So really 6,000 per panel. But this only runs on AC, and then these are 12-volt lights. But I'm really happy with this, because now once I get my house battery installed, I can come in here, I can work on the bench when I get it cleaned off. But look how much light I have. Now it is a little shadow behind there, but I can just turn the other side on. Yes. Alright, thanks for watching. It's not, you know, an in-depth whatever video, but I really appreciate you guys sticking around till the end, and I'll see you in the comments. That's irritating. That's just really irritating, you know? You're gonna work for this one, but you're not gonna work for pieces of